example where it absolutely worked because of these well-defined objectives. And then the other example would be where we use a combination. I call it compound AI systems, because typically when you're solving a well-defined business problem, you can't just look at it as one utility, as an point solution, or you can't just put all the eggs in this one probabilistic basket. So you kind of want to build a system where a deterministic and probabilistic systems come together. So we're doing, for a bunch of our clients, solutions where we use the historical data, which is the grounding data, codify it into machine learning, the classic machine learning, call it predictive AI, and then combine it with the generative AI, depending on whether we are trying to codify it into an agent for autonomous kind of reasoning, or we want to use generative AI for qualitative reasoning, or like a knowledge management system, or what have you, like a RAG solution. And then as a joint solution, we're able to solve wide variety of problems, right? So you can talk to your repository of knowledge, like a query, and you will get well-defined answers. So if I have thousands of dumps of PPTs of stuff that I've done, whether I'm a product services company, or like a software company like us, I can now talk to my knowledge base, right? So I can do that. Or I could solve the problem of predicting whether the next email campaign that I'm going to launch for target segment A or B, how would it perform, and what should I do so that I have a better predictability of this working against the objective or KPI for this campaign. So I could do that, right? Or I could have an agent which, based on historical data, could go and every month run and scout for opportunities. What new campaign should I launch that I haven't thought about, right? So those are the ones where we've actually seen positive traction. This works because these have well-defined, obviously KPIs or objectives, as well as the solution-wise, we've found the grounded data for it to work on something, and not just plain simple vanilla LLM, because they don't understand you, they don't understand your context.